What makes a pool experience in the middle of the ocean unforgettable? From kids splashing to a belly flop fun in a live orchestra vibe. This short video is all about the exciting pool deck. You won't want to miss it. Let's jump right in. Here comes the highlight. Courage meets comedy as guests go all in for the belly flop challenge. After the flop, the audience raises their hands and points to cast their vote. Meanwhile, the Liberty Orchestra keeps the energy alive with their melodies, and I couldn't resist dancing along. Who could with vibes like this? As the sun sets, Liberty of the Seas transforms into a dazzling wonder. From the top view to the heart of it all, the beauty of the ship and the endless ocean is simply magical. If you enjoyed this poolside fun, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I share more exciting travel moments, drum covers, and fun product unboxings. There's something for everyone. Don't miss out!